Hey guys, today we're talking about the Holosun 508T and 509T. We'll discuss their differences, similarities and footprint. I'll also show you their features and basic controls. But before we dive into the details, let's see what you get in the package. Starting with the 508T, you'll get a warranty card, a cleaning cloth and a user manual, which we'll put in a safe place and never look at it again. In the package you'll also find a couple of screws, a mounting tool and the optic itself. The 509T package is quite similar, but there are a few differences. The obvious one is a different green dot sight. But in this package you'll also get a mounting plate with one pair of screws. And that brings me to the mounting options. The 508T uses the Trigicon RMR mounting standard, so finding the right adapter for your pistol shouldn't be a problem. The 509T, on the other hand, uses Holosun's proprietary mounting standard, which is somewhat similar to the Aimpoint Acro standard, but unfortunately it's different. However, the 509T comes with an adapter plate that allows you to mount it on the Trigicon RMR footprint. There are also a few third-party adapters available that let you mount it directly to certain pistols, but these are quite limited. So before purchasing, I'd recommend checking if a compatible adapter is available for your setup. While it's possible to stack multiple adapters, I wouldn't recommend it as it raises the optic too high. When tightening the 508T or the mounting plate for the 509T, use 15 inch-pounds of torque and apply a blue thread locker. When mounting the 509T on the set plate, use 20 inch-pounds of torque. Both of these optics have a multi-reticle design, so you'll be able to switch between a 2 MOA dot, a 32 MOA circle and a combination of both. My particular devices have a green reticle, but both models are also available with a red reticle as well. Each device features a solar panel for backup power and automatic brightness adjustment. If you're using manual mode, you have 12 different brightness settings to choose from. Both optics use a CR1632 battery with a life expectancy of up to 50,000 hours. The battery is included in the package, but I always recommend buying an extra one as sometimes the included battery can already be drained. Both have a titanium body and include a motion sensor with an auto shut-off feature, which turns the device off when not in use and powers it back on when motion is detected. The waterproof rating of each device is IP67, which is pretty nice, but I wouldn't recommend snorkeling with either of them. One of the key differences between the two is their overall design. The Holosun 508T has an open emitter design, while the 509T has an enclosed design. The open design is generally a bit lighter, smaller and offers a better field of view. The enclosed design, on the other hand, offers more durability and the reticle is usually more visible in most conditions. The 508T is approximately 45 mm long, 30.7 mm wide, 27.5 mm high, and weighs around 56 grams. The window lens size is 16 by 23.1 mm. The 509T is approximately 40.9 mm long, 30.7 mm wide, 34.3 mm high, and weighs around 64 grams. The window lens size is 16.8 by 22.9 mm. If you need to change the battery, use the included mounting tool to loosen the screw on the battery compartment and remove the battery tray. Place the new battery with the positive side facing downward. Slide the battery tray back in and tighten the screw again. To turn the device on, press either the plus or minus button. To turn it off, press both buttons at the same time. These buttons also adjust the brightness. If the brightness isn't changing, hold the plus button for 3 seconds to switch modes. There are 3 modes available. Automatic adjusts brightness according to the environment. Manual lets you adjust the brightness yourself, and the lockout mode locks the current brightness settings so you don't accidentally change them. To change your reticle type, hold the minus button for 3 seconds. To adjust your windage and elevation, use these 2 turrets. So, in conclusion, the Holosun 508T and 509T are both compact, titanium-bodied reflect sights featuring multi-reticle options, solar backup, motion activation, and an IP67 waterproof rating. They also use the same CR1632 battery. The 508T has an open emitter design, uses a Trigicon RMR footprint, and it's lighter. The 509T has an enclosed design, uses Holosun's proprietary mounting standard but includes a Trigicon RMR mounting plate in the package. The optic is overall heavier, especially with the included mounting plate, but it should be more durable and reliable. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time.